Hello friend, I wanted to show you how to create and set up website. Go to at first your browser and typing your hosting company. I just show it Bluehost company. What WordPress hosting create. Okay, writing BLUEHOST .com. Click enter. Something network problem. Wait few seconds. Okay. So is your package. Which select all press package depend on you. Which big basic plus premium depend on you. Which purchase you want. Okay, I wanted to show premium recommended. Okay, select and create your domain name. My domain name anyconnect ANYCONNECT VPN.com. Okay, select your name, first name, last name, and your country, secret address, city, postcode, and select your phone number. Example, my phone number 1742734290 and email number tu Guru bd@gmail.com. Choice month, package information, account plan, which planning you want purchase depend on you. I selected choice plus 36 month. Okay, go. I selected Bluehost SEO tools start. And select your credit card username, card number, select expire date, select CVC code. You can choose PayPal account, no problem. Select total amount 237.96 USD American dollar. Okay, submit before check your information. First name, last name, business name, country, secret address, city, postal code, phone number, email address, package information, choice, account plan, hosting price, total 178.20, hosting price, every month 4.95 for 36 month billing per month, free domain registration free, primary domain registration free, Incepet SSL free. Okay, no needed this. Okay, confirm. Congratulations, welcome to Bluehost. There are few special offer just for you. No thanks. Create password, choice depend on you. Of course, first digit, letter and ultra code. Okay, next. Sign in. Onboarding. All right, world time take you 1. Choice theme. You select now or select will. No problem. Just now select Sunday's themes. Start building. Already created successful my website. I will show you how to another setting. Okay, next video follow for another setting. Bye bye.